welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show how you can reset the service indicator of a Mercedes C Class 2021 model W206 type. I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, as I mentioned, C Class W206, building year is 2021. First step to reset is press the ignition to the first position, press it like this, and then find the odometer by scrolling through the menu like this. Once you have reached that, we're going to use the home button and the OK button. Press the home button for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And right away the OK button for 10 seconds again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then release it, and as you can see, when you release it, a secret menu appears on the dashboard. Find Assist Plus by scrolling, press OK, enter this. Then it wants us to turn the ignition or press the ignition to the second position. Once you have done that, scroll down to full surface, press OK, and then confirm surface, press OK. Choose your oil grade. Use this one, press OK. Service carried out, press yes, and another confirmation. And once you have done that, it says full service completed. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for taking your time to watch our videos. Use the comment area for any questions, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.